We'll guide you through how to update your NVIDIA graphics card driver on a PC or laptop. Updating your drivers helps you get the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes. First, press the search button on your computer and type NVIDIA. If you already have the NVIDIA app installed, go ahead and open it. If not, open a web browser and search for NVIDIA app download. Open the official NVIDIA website and click on Download Now. Once downloaded, install it like any other application. After installation, open the NVIDIA app. From the left side, click on Drivers. Now, go to the top right and select the driver type, for example, Game Ready Driver. Then click on Check for Updates. If an update is available, click on Download. Once the download is complete, click on Install. Follow the on-screen steps to finish the installation. And that's it, your NVIDIA drivers are now updated. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.